Nancy's Garden Soap, and today I want to do a little demo of what you can do with a silicone mold and soap dough. This is some little feet molds, baby feet or bigger feet, I don't know, that I purchased at Hobby Lobby. And here I have some of my soap dough that I sell on Etsy and on my website. And if you look around, you can find the recipe for it on either my blog or through some of the videos. But I just took a piece of it and I softened it up, and I'm pushing it into this mold. I'm going to wipe off the excess, like so. And I just want to show you how fast and easy this is for making embeds or things to put on the top of your soaps or bath bombs. And there's a cute little foot. See if we can get some of the glare off. Cute little footsie. You could color the soap dough to make it the appropriate colors, pink, blue, or skin toned. And you can just do this a whole lot faster. Instead of doing like melt and pour soaps or trying to pour these with cold processed soap, using something like soap dough and putting it into a silicone mold is really fast and easy. There's two. And this video is not even a minute and a half long. Here's a third one. Like so. And I'm not chilling it, I'm not freezing it, I'm not waiting very long, just popping it out. You do have to wash the mold every once in a while. After you do like 4 batches or so, it's good to rinse it. And I'm just popping these out real fast. But you could do the same thing with your soap dough in silicone molds. That one needs to be redone, I think. So, toes didn't take as well. Anyway, that's just my quick idea here. I have another one coming up soon that I want to show you, and that'll be in a little bit.